Here we are in Riverside, California. Look, we found the talented women of webcam. How are you doing, Laurie and Melissa? It's always great to see you.
Hi, Jack. How are you?
I had to stop in. I want to know, I know you guys are super busy. What's going on at webcam right now?
Webcam's crazy busy and just working on Supercross stuff right now. It seems really popular.
Well, I know that's got to be tough. A lot of these Supercross teams, they rely on you, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
And I imagine...
Especially when the new stuff comes out. And it's hard, you know. Got to make new blanks. Got to make new profiles. Valtrins are different. Harder to deal with. So, yeah.
Some crazy deadlines that they give you?
Deadlines, and then we're going to take next week off.
Well, sure,
So,
for the holiday.
Yep.
Absolutely. So what's going on here at webcam in terms of the street bike stuff, the drag racing stuff? I know a lot of guys are doing winter rebuilds right now. Are you getting the calls for
Some,
Cam?
but they need to get on it because, yeah, it'll become next year and everybody will be in a rush, just like Supercross guys are in a rush right now, so then it'll be their turn. And, yeah, they need to get their stuff in here as soon as possible.
So the time crunch happens. Melissa, I'm sure you can speak to this. These guys need to hurry up with their orders, right?
Yes, get them in now.
And we love the hat. We love the hat, by the way. It's very festive.
Merry Christmas.
That is so awesome. How long have you two been together?
18 years.
18 years. What an awesome, company that you have here. Your employees, the tenure is incredible.
Thank
All
you.
your girls have been here how long?
Long.
I've been here 35.
35. My goodness.
God, I must have started when I was like 2, huh?
Hey, I'm not arguing. And, your whole staff, though, just incredibly long tenure, right?
Oh, yeah. Everybody's been here more than 10 years and plus. And, yeah, they're awesome people and got a great team. Appreciate them all.
Very cool. Now, before we let you girls go, I know you got to get out the door here. We got Larry Spider-Man McBride, who's backed by webcams.
Ooh, 19 championships.
What do you think about that?
I'm so proud of him. He's awesome. He's definitely impressive in his 19 career. Hopefully, maybe one more, 20, and we'll stop.
That's what he was wondering. Larry,
You know?
Larry, hey, he's not slowing down, but everybody's getting older, right? You
Yeah,
wonder.
We're all getting older.
I think Larry would like to go to 30 if he could, 30 championships, but
Yeah, but
might be hard to get that 20. And then your cam's in use in
he's
his
got
bike?
grandkids. Maybe they could get on it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know what? That is coming.
That's awesome.
That is coming.
I'd like to see that.
Well, thank you guys so much. It's awesome. Anything else you would like to pass on from webcams here in Riverside,
Just
California?
want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you for everything everyone does for us throughout the years. And thank you for your support.
Likewise. Thank you guys so much for everything you do, guys. It's Webcam Racing Cams. Laurie and Melissa, they are in the holiday spirit. If you need cams, call them now.
Merry Christmas!
There you go. Don't wait to the last minute. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
See you later.